Hey, it's Joseph here. Today I've got a box to open. So here is very unassuming brown box. Incredible comes from within and got this logo. And that usually means that it is from ASUS. So I've got this product from ASUS. Thank you ASUS for sending me this product to showcase and test out a few things. And it's got the specs of what we are looking at. So this laptop model is UX5304V and the color is basalt gray, and it does have LCD of 13.3 OLED, WQ and GL for probably glossy. The CPU is Intel i7-1355U. It does have 1 terabyte of solid state drive, and the RAM is DDR5 32GB onboard memory. The LAN card is Wi-Fi 6 and has a Bluetooth as well, and it's got USB 3.2 Thunderbolts, 2 of them, and the OS type is Windows 11 Pro, and the language is for US, and it does have 4-cell 63 watt-hour battery. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. And I really like the fact that they have made this box in a recyclable brown box, and even the handle is kind of cool. And let me pull out the accessories box first. And it contains a single thing of power adapter. It's got the plastic around it, so let me go ahead and peel this off. But you've got the US prong and it is not foldable. However, the other end is USB Type-C. The cable is fairly long and it is velcroed, neatly tied together. And then it's got this thing in the box. I'm guessing this is some sort of case for or sleeve for the laptop. Really cool. It says Zenbook, the name of the laptop. And it's just kind of held together with the Velcro. And the inside is this gray soft material. I guess that is sort of the pen holder. So let me put that aside. And the only box that is left inside is for the laptop. Instead of the styrofoam stuff, they are using recyclable paper. I like the fact that they are doing that. Nothing really fancy going on here. There's a bit of a pattern for ASUS Zenbook type, and it's got a seal on it, so let's break it. It does say Explorer, more incredible with less. And we've got this sticker that usually goes on a laptop. ASUS Zenbook S13 OLED, and that is the name of this laptop. And the features that are highlighted for this laptop is 10.9mm, 1 kilogram, ultra thin and ultra light laptop, and it does have the OLED display 2.8K, and it is 13-inch, and it does have 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut, 0.2 millisecond response time. That's good to see. And also 63 watt-hour battery and full I/O ports of Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-A 3.2, HDMI 2.1, audio combo jack, and it does have IR camera for Windows Hello such, and it's got other jargons as US military grade stuff and plasma ceramization of the body and recycled material for saving the environment. This bag is made from plant fibers and it's 100% recyclable. And with the laptop lifted, then you've got a little box inside that includes a couple of paper, warranty card, user guide, and what is this? Scan QR code to register your stuff. Got a little design underneath here. And in here, we can finally reveal the laptop. Oh, I do like this texture. It's got the similar recyclable texture vibe with accents here. That's really cool. Exactly the same pattern you saw on the paper top here. It kind of feels like it is plastic, but it kind of feels paper. It does have a bit of texture on top. I like that. And it does say ASUS Zenbook. It's really clean and sharp. And just going around the laptop, it is very thin and light. 13-inch laptop, quite light on the hand, but feels very solid as well. I love the industrial design of this. You can see the hinge design over here, quite rectangular towards the back, but it just thins out towards the front, and it does have this notch for speaker underneath, and it does have an LED indicator and headphone jack combo and USB type A ports. And you can see the material difference on the top and the bottom, quite good looking as I have said already. And on the back you've got the rubber on the top and the back so that it protects against the surface as you open up the screen. And then going around to the other side, you can see that there is a full-size HDMI. That's actually surprising to see on a 13-inch laptop. And then 2 Thunderbolt USB Type-C ports along with the battery charging indicator, which is very useful as well. And if we look underneath, you can see the vents for the air and also the rubber feet here. And with a couple of screws, you can just get into the laptop. And the Torx screw sizes are different, so be mindful when you're putting them back in. You don't want to put in long ones towards the front. Okay, as you can see, you've got the 2 fans towards the back venting the air intake and out. And you've got the heat pipes leading towards the CPU here, and the RAM seems to be soldered on, so it is not really replaceable. However, the drive itself, it is replaceable and upgradable as well. As it was stated outside, the battery is 63 watt-hour battery, easily replaceable as you can gain access into the laptop quite easily. Speakers on the either side, you can see the USB ports sticking out on either side as well. And the bottom panel looks like this. Let's put it back together. Okay, so that was the brief look inside of the laptop. Let's go ahead and open the laptop. And you can see that the screen opens up all the way, although if you were to push down this side, it does lift up the bottom. But you've got pretty big size screen. It is glossy, as you can see. However, it is OLED, and all the OLEDs that I've seen are glossy screens, so that's sort of given. And I can see a couple of microphone holes along with the IR camera and the webcam up here. And then the keyboard layout is like this. Very large trackpad, a glass trackpad, and Intel Evo i7, Vision Atmos, Dolby Sound, and sound by Herman and Kardon. And you've got the ASUS Zenbook logo at the front like that. And as you can see, the air will also vent through here. So that is a brief look of this laptop. Everything besides turning it on and testing on a bunch of different things such as battery life and its performance. Right off the bat, it is a very good looking laptop. I love its design on the top and the overall compactness of this. I'll be excited to test this unit out for a bit. So if you guys have any questions regarding this laptop, then please leave them down in the comments so that I can look for the answers of those, and I will issue a full review of this laptop after I have tested a few things. So please look out for that video. If you have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos as well as the full review of this laptop. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.